everybody, welcome to my little corner where I make soul paintings. I'll talk about this at the end of the video, but for now we're going to talk about how to process our emotions. Actually, welcome everyone, and if you don't know me, I'm Roubina Khodadin, artist, healer and spiritual guide. We're going to be talking about how to process emotions, which are states of being such as anger, sadness, or sometimes it's a mix of emotions. So those emotions which we find difficult. So I'm going to give you a 6-step guide. The very first one is don't run away. Not running away from the emotion. That is, when you are feeling emotions, first thing, don't call your friends or don't try to change your mind. That's the very first thing. Secondly, is I suggest you choose a music which you would like to listen to when you're in that state. Let's say you're feeling sad and there is a piece of music, anything actually, just put it on. And I suggest you just move. You might say to me, well, I don't know how to move, I don't know how to dance, but it's not about dancing. I mean, you don't know maybe how to move, but you know how to shake, right? You know how to shake your arms, how to shake your head. So you put the music on which reflects how you feel, even if it's not exactly, it doesn't matter. There's so much music on the net, isn't it? So just choose one, put it, and just shake yourself, you know. Or if you like to dance, just move around and dance. Certainly not copying a video or something. Just move your head, move your arms, just dance to that music, okay? Second step. Third step is go somewhere which is a little bit kind of where you can be in a little cocoon. Maybe go in your bed, or if you don't want to go in your bed, you can go for a walk. And as you're going there, just like breathe, just breathe and breathe and breathe and walk, or lie down and breathe. Third step. Fourth step, you're going to see when you're doing this, walking or lying in bed, you're going to have like probably lots of things in your head, because you know, as you've moved, you know, so you need to do that for a bit of time, yeah? So it could be a few minutes, it could be 10 minutes, I don't know. There will be things going on in your mind, definitely. You're going to start maybe ruminating about whatever. And then I suggest you write it down. Write down whatever is going on through your head. Anything. And even if you don't want to write it down, say it out loud on your phone. If you don't want to do that, then I suggest you take a piece of paper and some colored pencils and just scribble, scribble like that, okay? That's the other step. Next step comes when you finish doing that. I suggest you move again, okay? Breathe and move a little bit. Shake your arms, shake your head, okay? And then choose a piece of music which is something that makes you feel peaceful, something that soothes you down, and then again go back in your bed or go for a little walk. And as you listen to that music, imagine a time or a space where you were feeling so amazingly good. Imagine that time. Put one hand here. This is our heart. I'll talk about this heart space in other videos, but just for now. One hand just on our belly, elbows relax. And you can walk. The best thing really is to be in your bed. Breathe in, and you imagine that time where you were feeling so good. And you breathe out. You're imagining it, you're sending it inside yourself. Or if that's too complicated, just lie down and put your arms on your body somehow, anywhere, and listen to that soothing music. And then then you can run away, as in then you can call your friends or take any decisions or go out and have fun or do something that makes you feel good, even if it's just eating a sweet or reading a nice book or watching a nice film. Because what we've done, we've released the sort of stress from the body, and then we've calmed our inside ourselves out. Then we can change our mind. What you can do also in that last step, you can also listen to my healing meditation on positivity, which I will link up at the end. As simple as that might sound, these steps are steps which are working for my clients. So there's no reason that doesn't work for you. But if you need to get a one-to-one consultation, I'm more than happy that you book a consultation. The link will be in the description box. Or if you need some help, like you need to have maybe colors that are helping you out with your emotions, you can order a soul painting. And this is where I'll tell you a few words about what is a soul painting. It is actually one of my gifts. I heal through movement, through voice, and I heal by also receiving work that is linked for the person. So for a soul painting, I get whatever picture or reason why you want a painting, and as I'm doing the painting, I don't choose any colors. It's a little bit like your soul, which knows best what's best for you, connects to my soul and get out those colors that have got specific codes in them, that has got specific vibration codes. So just to give you a little example on what that can bring, I'll give you a personal example. The one you're seeing here, the orange and black painting, I've done that for myself as I was doing healing for me, with a picture of when I was a child, something specific that I was working on. And after, you can't see it very well, but as I was looking more and more at that painting, I could see I could see me even as a child in that painting. And as time has been going by, believe it or not, but when I go out in nature and I need some sort of, I need to be soothed or whatever, orange and black butterflies come to me, believe it or not. And that's like since 2 years ago, and still orange and black butterflies occasionally come to me in spaces where sometimes there are not supposed to be butterflies. And recently I've also noticed that noticed some blackbirds with orange, beaks that are outside my house. So I'm not saying that this will happen to you. All I'm saying is a soul painting is definitely a helping tool, because when I'm doing it, I'm also doing a healing session for you. Anyway, that's about that. If you're new to the channel, make sure you click the bell and you subscribe, and leave me a little comment also, and let me know if you've got some music that you like to listen to when you process your emotions, or anything you want to say. And in the description box it will be to getting in touch with me. Don't forget to like the video as well, because that nourishes some nice emotions on my side, because doing all these YouTube videos, sometimes it is a bit lonely, because I don't know you guys, even if I sort of feel people, but I don't really know you. So by liking and commenting, it does keep me motivated. Thank you for listening, and see you soon.